Hello students, in this video we are going to learn about the interference. What is the interference? Let's look at the example. In this position we are white. In the next move we can make a queen. We can promote our pawn into a queen, but the problem is this rook is attacking our pawn and covering the queening square. Okay, the rook has a direct control over the b8 square. So if we want to make a queen, we need to interfere with the rook. We need to interfere with the line of the rook. So we play knight to b5. And now the rook can no longer cover the b8 square. We have interfered with the line of the rook. And this is known as the interference. In the next move, it does not matter what black does. We can push our pawn forward and make a queen. Let's say he gives a check. You just play king c3. And in the next move you make a queen. So now the rook can no longer control the b8 square. In this position we are white, and look at the queen and bishop battery. We want to checkmate on h7, but the problem is queen is defending the h7. So we need to put a barrier there. We need to somehow interfere between the connection of the queen and the h7 square. So we play rook g7. We sacrifice our rook. It does not matter how black captures it. If black captures with the bishop or with the knight, we are going to play queen cross h7 and it's a checkmate. Now because of this knight, the queen cannot control the h7 square. So in this position we are white, and how do we use interference in this position? Well, look. Our queen is attacking the opponent's queen, but opponent's rook is defending it. Okay, so if we can block this connection between the rook and queen, if we can interfere between rook and queen, then we can capture the opponent's queen. So that's why white played bishop d6. If black plays knight cross d6, then our interference is successful. We can capture the opponent's queen. And if he captures our queen, then we can play rook f8 and it will be a checkmate. So black is forced to play rook cross d6, and now we can play queen b8 check, and it's checkmate. He cannot save the checkmate. Rook is covering the f file and queen is attacking via the 8th rank, so it's game over. In this position we are white, and this black's rook looks like little trapped. It does not have a lot of squares to go to. But right now opponent's queen is protecting this rook. So if we want to capture the rook, we have to interfere between the queen and the rook. And how do we do it? We play knight c5. We sacrifice the knight. If opponent plays b cross c5, then now we can win this rook because there is no connection between the queen and rook. So we capture it and we are going to win material. So this is interference. In this position we are black, and right now this queen is protected by the rook. But here we can create an interference. We can play bishop to d4. Now the connection between the rook and the queen is broken. So we are going to win some material here. If opponent captures our queen, then first we capture opponent's bishop and then we capture the rook. So we are a knight up. Or if opponent plays bishop cross d4, then our mission is successful, our interference is successful. We are going to capture the opponent's queen. So interference is basically you block the line of connection between the two pieces. That's it for this video. Now let's go to the next one.